Hey everyone, welcome back to Singularity. I'm so excited to be back and play this again. I've been playing the bee thing for a little bit offline. This also earns an insane amount now, but I have some of the bee things to read first of all. This is probably going to be a slightly shorter recording because I have somewhere that I need to go tonight and I can't be late to it, so I'm trying to get this recording in first. I will add pollen brushes as another thing. Okay. I have made some progress, but I'm definitely not close to actually completing this one yet. There's still a lot of stuff here. So, unfortunately, I could not finish it. But I'm gonna still try and do my best to do other things with it. Okay. I can start reading stuff now. Let's see, where did I leave off? Okay, so first of all, the competition. Flowers have suitors galore. 200,000 species of pollinators. Thing to click on. 199,000 of which are insects. Besides bees, a meadow attracts beetles, butterflies, flies, birds, and ants by day, with moths and bats visiting at night. As in any competition, there are winners and losers. Okay. Next. Johnston's organ. Flowers have one driving desire, to make seeds. Each plant strives to produce these germs of life, ideally with another plant. Yet rooted in place, how can two isolated flowers unite? Why do I feel like I read that? Oh. How did it get to flower? I thought I clicked on that. Okay. I think when I updated it, it switched it over. Okay. The correct thing I'm supposed to be reading. Collecting pollen requires precise flying skills. To tiny bee bodies, air currents feel like gnarly ocean waves. A sensor on the antennae called the Johnston's organ detects turbulence and other chaotic vibrations, helping bees stabilize in flight. That's interesting. Okay. The art of attraction. It's no accident blossoms come in a bouquet of colors, patterns, sizes, shapes, and accessories. Flowers attract suitors with a dress for success strategy, a look tailored to maximize pollination dates, but there's a choice. Attract one or attract all. Okay. Next, birds, not bees. Bees can't fly in wintry, windy, or very rainy weather, but birds are year-round pollinators, so some flowers evolve to attract birds and shun bees. That's interesting. They're often red, a color bees can't see, and hide nectar in extra long tubes where bees can't reach it. That's interesting that they don't want bees, instead of just wanting anyone, I guess. Okay. Solitary nests. About 95% of today's bee species live alone, not in a hive. A queen digs a hole and lays eggs in a ball of pollen. Her nest is unguarded when she forages, a chance she has to take. But luckily, being vegetarian, she can dine on nectar while finding pollen for her young. That's cool. Okay. And then we have come one or all. Flowers that invite all comers won't run short on dates, but picky plants that focus on luring one pollinator can maximize attractive features. Both strategies have drawbacks, so most flowers take a mixed approach. That's what I was saying. The thing about not wanting bees and only wanting birds is interesting. Okay. Dandelion welcome mat. Dandelion blooms say all are welcome here. They're bright yellow to stand out, but small and understated. No fancy frills. The problem is that their stigmas get clogged with useless pollen from other angiosperms. Oh, interesting. Okay. Snappy snapdragons. Snapdragon petals take brute force to pry apart. Small insects are locked out. Why make it harder to access pollen? Exclusivity in exchange for loyalty. By offering big, strong pollinators a privileged food supply, snapdragons entice them to keep returning. That's really cool. Snapdragons are really fun. Okay. Bumblebee exclusive. Bumblebees spend extra time and energy to force open snapdragons. It's not efficient, but the upside is food security. In a meadow swarming with hungry pollinators, nectar that's off limits to competitors is a plentiful, reliable meal. I need to plant more snapdragons. That's really fun. Okay. UV vision. Okay. Bees are blind to red, but they can see ultraviolet UV, a color invisible to us. Purple, blue, and yellow also call out to bees. Flowers that look red to us sometimes also have UV hues tuned to bee vision. That's really, really cool. I like that. Okay. Early willows. In any duet, timing is key. Willows open in very early spring when food is scarce. Emerging bumblebees forage hungrily, spreading pollen from all male to all female willow trees. Bees don't starve, and willows get a dedicated pollinator to help them multiply. Nice. Okay. Next, food banking. Bees are vegetarians. One ghoulish exception, vulture bees eat rotting flesh. Adults feed protein-rich pollen to their young and drink nectar for the sugar high. The term for bee pollination, melitophily, means sweet loving. Okay. Next, we have very hairy body. Bees are extremely hairy, even the eyes. Two hairs are exactly spaced to trap one pollen capsule between them. Each hair has teeth and hooks to secure the gooey grain. Bee bodies also evolved tiny precision tools to collect, store, and transport pollen. Okay. And then color and pattern. How to tell if a flower prefers bees over other suitors. The petals have patterns, often ultraviolet in color, never red like a bullseye or runaway lights at an airport. No, I actually want to get this. The markings point the way to nectar. Cool. Okay. Size and structure. The 5 petals of pea flowers are adapted in size and structure for bee comfort. 2 banner petals draw attention. 2 smaller petals form landing pads, enticing the bee to sit down and stay a while. A tiny central petal holds a nectar snack. And then pollen brushes. I went through these in order of which ones I got, so that's why it was kind of scattered all over. Okay, while the bee flies between blossoms, pollen brushes on the back legs kick into action. Rows of bristles pick up pollen grains from the pelt and sweep them toward the rear of the bee. Okay. I can claim things now. Here. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I'll come back to this one. I don't know how much more I can actually get done on this, unfortunately, but this is very fun. Okay, next we have Beyond. Hopefully I can finish it this time, because I was really close last time. And that would be very nice. Okay. All I have to do is rank up Vesta. So I think I should be able to do this. Oh, so close. Oh my gosh. It's so close. I want it so bad. I'm so close to getting it. Ooh, constellation stuff. Captain's Star. Okay. New thing. Automate Pluto. Yay. Okay. Perfect. Yay. I've wanted it ranked up for so long. Okay. There was something else over here that I could rank up. I'll do that one. And this one. Because there's two, actually. Alright. Okay. Constellation stuff. I don't know why it does the stars in the order it does, but apparently it does. Okay. I think that one's Antares. Oh, it's doing something. Here we go. Okay. I'll come back to this. Mesozoic. I want Vesta to be done. It's so close. Okay. Collect. Oh, it's so close here too. Oh my gosh. So many things are so close. Okay, that's done. And you. Yay, that's done. Okay. And I'll just go a little bit more than that and that. I want it to earn this faster so that I can start that again. Anyway, I need to go to primary because I'm earning stuff so fast over there. This is insane. Okay. Research things. They're loading, apparently. Viper is new. I think. No, I think I've had this before, but maybe have I? I don't know. Vipers are a family of snakes with a venomous bite. They will often rear up, hiss, or make other warnings to try to get the creature that threatens them to back off, but will bite when prey or unwitting humans get too close. Okay. Bison. That's new. I don't remember seeing that before, I think. Okay. Broad, muscular, shaggy ungulates. The American bison is the largest terrestrial animal in North America. They can weigh up to 3,000 pounds. Though nearly hunted to extinction in the 19th century, they have made a comeback as domesticated livestock. Okay. Diving? Oh, I can get it now. Yay. Okay. Aquatic mammals have adapted to spend long periods of time underwater. They can slow their heart rate and divert blood flow to their vital organs. They also have a higher rate of myoglobin in their muscles, which allows them to store more oxygen while they dive. Okay. Constriction. Pythons' long bodies are incredibly strong, and incredibly strong muscles enable them to wrap around their prey, squeezing them to death. Python. The pythons are non-venomous and some of the largest snakes in the world. They use their prominent front teeth to catch their prey, then wrap their bodies around them and squeeze, constricting them to death. Cool. Bushy tail. Foxes have long tails, sometimes longer than half their body length. Their tails are thick and bushy with soft fur and can be used as a cover to keep them warm in cold weather. Okay, next. Black epidermis. Underneath their fur... I have a thing to click. Polar bears have black skin, which absorbs the heat of the sun and a thick layer of blubber under that. They cannot tolerate temperatures warmer than 10 degrees Celsius, which cause them to overheat. Poor polar bears. Okay, I can get these guys now. Oh, I love them. There's a baby one. Oh, that's so fun. They're in really shallow water. If they're over here. Oh my gosh, I just want to watch them. They're going into the swarm of the other guys. Oh my gosh. This is pretty shallow water for them, or else those fish are very large in comparison. Yeah, go back to deeper areas where you have more space. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. Oh my gosh. The shark is eating more fish. I want to see the whales again, but I don't know where they went. Oh, there they are. What the heck is that? I don't know. Land, maybe? Okay. I was getting these to 200. That's what I was doing. Or trying to. This is earning less than the other stuff. Okay, I'll click that. Bite me. Only two species of lizards, the Gila monster and the Mexican beaded lizard, are venomous. Their bite can be toxic and cause serious injury. Oh, there's a whale. I'm trying to remember who it was. Also, what have I not clicked on here? I'm trying to remember who it was, but I think my dad's friend or something, someone that my parents know, was camping somewhere, and in the morning they woke up and there was a Gila monster in their shoe. I can't remember who that was. Alright. This is fun with the whale. Okay. This is so satisfying. Alright. I don't have any research things to unlock with ideas anymore. Have I just learned everything that there is to learn about things here? Huh. Well, I was saying earlier, I wonder if there's an endpoint. I need to see what the heck I haven't discovered. Okay, here's one of them. There she blows. The blue whale isn't just the largest animal on the planet right now, it's also the largest animal we know to have ever existed on Earth. These gentle giants can grow to nearly 30 meters long and weigh over 170 tons. Okay. I'm gonna do it like this because it's slow otherwise. What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Okay. What am I missing? Here. Okay. Back to the ocean. You have unlocked the cetacean branch of the mammal tree. Now we know what led some mammals to return to living in the seas. Okay. Fox. Yay. Oh, it's cute. Foxes are omnivorous mammals with pointed ears and snouts and bushy tails. The most common species, the red fox, is known for its bright orange coat. In many places, they have become urban carnivores living in suburbs and cities. I don't know why. I'm so bad at reading today. Okay. Okay, sibling rivalry. Two-headed snakes are not entirely uncommon in the wild. They form like conjoined human twins and usually die relatively young because each head has a separate brain. They often fight over prey and one head may attempt to eat the other. That's actually really funny. Okay. That's fun. Alright. The bees take so long because of the whole thing about them not going every second. It's like they take time like these guys. So. I need to collect more so that these will, oh, wait a second. Oh, nice. I have reduced cost for those guys, apparently. I'm so close on both Beyond and Mesozoic right now. So I want them to finish. I need enough for Vesta. This is zoomed in so far. Okay. I want it so bad. I don't know what this is. As of today, when I'm recording it, apparently there is an update to the game. Cool. I want Vesta to be done. Okay. What the heck are these? Huh. So you can get things like that. I see. I'm so close, I just need Vesta. I'm gonna whine about this. Because I want Vesta so much. Okay. But, because we're really here to do bee stuff, I'm going to do the time flux thing. Because I want more things here. So, I could do whoa, they look weird. Also, this is what this area looks like now. So, it's pretty cool. Anyway, bribery and deception. Flowers entice suitors through bribery, trickery, or both. Some Arctic flowers offer insects warmth and comfort. Blossoms are shaped to focus the sun's rays and form a shelter from icy winds, but for most flowers, food is an unbeatable lure. That's really cool that they have warming flowers. Okay. Nectar bribes. Nectar is a pure gift. Flowers can't use it for anything but a lure. Not only does it draw in pollinators, it also attracts ant bodyguards who ward off plant eaters. But nectar takes energy to make, so not all flowers bother. Alright. Nectar safeguards. Flowers evolve tricks to ensure their precious nectar goes only to useful animals. Darwin's orchid places nectar at the base of an extremely long tube. Only one species, Morgan's sphinx moth, can reach it using a foot-long drinking straw called a proboscis. Okay. That's cool. Buzz pollination. Like snapdragons, nightshade plants, such as tomatoes and potatoes, make bees work for their pollen. In buzz pollination, the bee grabs an anther shaped like a skinny salt shaker. She vibrates her body by twitching muscles, forcing pollen to pop out of a tiny hole. That's cool. Okay. Bristled baskets. Combs funnel the pollen into two baskets, smooth-bottomed hollows on the hind legs. A spur, like a tiny hammer, packs the pollen into a clump. Bristles around the edge of the baskets keep that precious cargo from falling out. That's cool. All of this is cool. Okay. Any other update-ish things that I can get? No, they're all very expensive, but I will get more of this. Okay. Yay, and I can open a thing. Murderers. Okay, well there's kidnappers. That's probably what leads to murderers. In this simulation, at least. Okay. Alright. This is going faster now. We'll see what I can actually afford. Probably not these things, but that's okay. I also have so many of these now, I should actually get something with them. Extinction artifact. I need them to be faster. Wait a second, let me double check. Yeah, that is what I want. Yay! Okay. Perfect. I need them to go faster because I've been complaining about how slow Mesozoic is for so long. Okay, where is it? Here it is. I think that's the one that I got. Mega volcano. Ominous music. Not ominous music. Okay. Yay, it's cool. Megavolcano. Not once but twice during the Mesozoic era, megavolcanoes contribute to mass extinctions. In the Indian Ocean, a Cretaceous period hotspot still oozes lava 66 million years later. That's a lot of years later. Okay, come on, please. I need to restart this one so that I can get the things to make these automated. I just want them automated. I like the music in this one. This is so slow. I want Vista, that's all I want. I'm so close. I just need 2 more for Vesta, which I know will take so long because it's so expensive. But I just want it. I don't know what that is. Okay. Back to primary again. I want the polar bear. I don't think I have enough for it, but that's okay. This is all loading still. What is that? That's just... Okay, it's a cave. That makes sense. More of you. And you. Okay. Free Willy. In the wild, orcas can live to be 50 to 100 years old. In captivity, these animals are prone to extreme stress, infections, and injuries and will only live for around 10 to 15 years. That's so sad. Okay. The alpha and the omega. The concept of an alpha male in a wolf pack is based on debunked science. While male wolves may become more assertive in captivity, wild wolves do not display this behavior, and packs are co-dominated by a mated male and female pair. Interesting. Alright. Martian factory. These are so expensive now, but I also earn an insane amount at once. Okay. Oh, I wanna play this one too. I played this one before, I think. The extinction one. It was really cool. What do I open? Oh, that. Okay. Cool. I want Vesta. I probably can't get it right now because I don't have a ton of time to play this, but I want it so bad. I'm also in the top 200, which is kind of exciting for this. Mesozoic. I want it. I'm so close on Mesozoic and beyond, and I just want them. It's fine. Everything's fine. I also think it's interesting because for primary, I think I've gotten through everything that I can find for the what's it called? The idea section of it. But there's still a lot more to discover for the other side of it, so I don't want to restart it again. But I wonder if I do restart it again, if I would get more, more stuff that might be in the idea section, or if I've kind of learned everything there is to learn in that part of the simulation. Because I was talking in the last couple of recordings about not being sure if there is really an endpoint to this game, and I know for this, there's at least 5 more extinctions because there's stuff in primary that unlocks when Mesozoic is on 23 and I'm only on 18, so. And then I think there was the thing where Beyond has a thing after 12 and I'm only on 9 for that, so those are things that I'll have to figure out. But it would be interesting if I am technically done with the idea section of primary. want these two to be automated. I would be earning so much faster if they were. Trying to keep an eye on what time it is so that I make sure that I'm not gonna be late for things, but I also really want to try and get this done. It's 5:31 and I have to be there at between 6:45 and 7, so it's really cold. Even in my house, I have the heater on, but it's still kind of cold in here. And so my car is gonna be really cold when I go out. The place I go to university is kind of in between some hills, and on the hills to the east right now there's snow. And so it's definitely gonna be cold, especially because it's gonna start raining again. But I have to wear nice ushering clothes, which means I can't just be cozy in like warm sweatpants and stuff. I have to wear black jeans and a black shirt, which isn't super warm. So, oh well. Yeah. It's colder earlier this year than it was last year, I think. Or maybe this season is just going really fast, so it feels earlier. I don't know. I want Vesta so much, but I don't think I'll get it. This is getting close to being done. Let's see what pollinators are doing again. Alright. I don't like the opera very much. Okay, collect. No, not double this. I cannot click on things correctly today. All these are expensive now. This is also so zoomed in. Okay. These I already have all of those for what I want to upgrade them to. You know what? These guys, I'm gonna go back and start doing 300 of these because I need to earn them faster. That was too many. I'm doing 400. I did the same thing with the one that's based on ideas. It's still earning faster than I'm using it, so that's good. because these ones are kind of cheap. Okay, maybe not anymore, but it was. This is satisfying. Oh, I got a thing for that, apparently. Okay. The Apes of Wrath. Just like humans, apes have distinct, unique fingerprints. The only other species of mammal that has fingerprints are koalas. That's interesting. If it says the only other species of mammals that has fingerprints are koalas, does that mean that there's a thing that isn't a mammal that has a fingerprint? Or does that mean that mammals have fingerprints and the only other one is a koala? I don't know. Okay. A real nudist colony. The naked mole rat is a hairless, burrowing rodent found in East Africa. The only ectothermic mammal, it is highly resistant to pain and cancer and can live for up to 32 years. They live in colonies with a queen surrounded by workers. That's interesting. How do they test their resistance to pain, is my question. And I definitely have to do this over again because there's a lot of stuff to fit in here. But this, I'm pretty much almost done with. Anyway. Yeah, I don't know what that means that they are resistant to pain and cancer, and I don't know how they test that. Okay. It's satisfying. This is very fun. Alright. Back to bees for a little bit. Oh, Cosmos is snoring. I think he's cold. I'm gonna put on his jacket before I leave so that he can be cozy in here while he's at home alone, which he doesn't enjoy very much because he gets separation anxiety. But unfortunately, I have stuff to do, and it's extra bad for him because he doesn't like when I leave at night. But I can't really do anything about that. Okay. I also can't do anything about the fact that I can't afford that, and I know I can't afford Vesta yet either. But I want Vesta. Okay. I am going to end this here. But I had a lot of fun. All the bee stuff is super cool. I really enjoy learning about it, and I really want to come play it sometime when I have more time to just invest into trying to get more of the things, because I really want to read all the other stuff that is here, and the whole murderers thing is really interesting. A lot of these seem really interesting, but unfortunately, I have been very busy with various things, so I haven't been able to commit as much time, both in the recording and outside of it, to this as I would have theoretically liked to. But thank you all so much for watching anyway. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!